Hello, hello. Okay, perfect. So let's start our stream today. Let me just log into Killer Coda. And we're in. Let's begin. Just a second. Yeah, everything's perfect. Okay, so today might be a little longer because I plan on finishing this whole playground. So let's begin where we last left. Yeah. So we start with apply node affinity to a pod. In this scenario, we'll learn how to apply node affinity to a pod in Kubernetes. Let's start. Let's increase font here too, and let's go. In the namespace named something, create a pod named X, which uses the given image. This pod should use node affinity and prefer during scheduling to be placed on the node with the label availability zone equals zone 1 with a weight of 80. Also have that same pod prefer to be scheduled to a node with the label availability zone 2 with a weight of 20. Make sure though. Okay, so do we have pods already? Okay, get all. So all we have is a source. That's strange. Okay, get all my. Okay. Yeah. In the namespace. Okay. Yeah. Okay, get all minus n. No resources. Okay. Is there a namespace? Okay, get that. Okay. So let's make that our default namespace. Like let's set it. Set current. Set context. Hyphen current minus n this. Okay. So okay, get pods. No resources. So we have set the namespace. This is our current namespace. Where we have to do everything. Create a pod named AC1 which uses Nginx. Okay. So okay, run this. Oh my bad. Yeah. Image. And the name of the pod is AC1 pod. Okay. Wait. Okay, get pods. Okay, delete pod space XC. Yeah. Okay, run this with the image. This the pod should have node affinity. So let's just have our YAML file created, and then we will add the node affinity to it. Okay, get nodes. We have two nodes. And do we have labels? Okay, we have availability zone labels. Perfect. Now let's open up the Kubernetes docs. Kubernetes docs here. Yeah, let's search for node affinity. Assign pods to nodes using node affinity. Yeah, that is the one. Let's zoom into this one too. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, we have our node labeled, and we need to copy this. Weightage. We wanted some weightage, right? Preferred node. Preferred during scheduling. Yeah. Open up another. Affinity weight. You can specify weight between. Okay. Node affinity, yeah. Require. Preferred during scheduling is what we want. This pod should use node affinity and preferred during scheduling. So where is the weight part? Control F. Weight. Okay. And where do they mention weight again? Node affinity weight. This is the one. Between 100 for each instance of the affinity. When the scheduler finds nodes that meet all the other scheduling requirements of the pod, the scheduler iterates through every preferred rule that the node satisfies and adds the value of weight for that expression to a sum. The final sum is added to the score of other priority functions of the nodes. Nodes with the highest total score are prioritized when the scheduler makes a scheduling decision for the pod. Okay. So this is what we want. We need to add this. No, 1.yaml. Under the spec section, we just paste this. Node affinity. No, we do not want the required ones. In nano, when you do control K, so as you can see here, yeah, cut text, so it cuts the whole line. Yeah, we're looking for preferred during scheduling. One we need is okay, numlock 80, and the other we need is to be 20. So preference match expression key is availability zone. You can give in on this, but let's be specific in this case. Control F operator. Have they mentioned the different operators? And this one, Control F operators. So in, not an exists. Okay, so this one doesn't have a. There are greater than but not an equal. So in is the most specific one. Fine. Yeah, we can do that. Just separate these and put it in a different desktop space, so we can just easily toggle between them. Perfect. So we have to set 80 for zone 1, and we can just copy this. Availability zone, and then the container spec, which is name image. Perfect. What else? Also have the same pod prefer with okay. Ensure that the pod is scheduled on a control. plane because it is zone 1. Okay, let's see. Let's apply. If there are any taints or something, then we'll make sure even those are looked after. Okay, get pods running -o wide. It is on node 1. Why? It should be on node control plane. So okay, describe control plane. Oh, sorry, nodes control plane. Let's look at some taints. It is not unschedulable, but there is a taint. Let's just copy this. We need to put a toleration for it if I'm not wrong. Okay, let's put it a toleration. Nano 1 operations. Come on. Yeah, and the spec exists. Okay. Taints. We have this. We can just, we have tolerations. Yeah, so effect is no schedule. That's fine. We just need exists, and this is the one. Okay, delete pod AC1. Okay, apply -f1.yaml. Okay, get pods -o wide. Now it is on the control plane. Right. Container creating, running, control plane. Perfect. Check. Oh, this one has a check now. Nice. Yeah, very inconsistent. But it's okay. They're giving us a free platform to practice. That's awesome. And I'm very grateful. Scheduling a pod to a specific node. This is always fun. I love these. In this scenario, we'll learn how to schedule a pod to a node by the node's name. Okay, so we use node name. Let's increase the font size. Start. In the namespace, name this. Okay. Okay, get ns. Okay, keyboard gave up. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, in the namespace named this, create a pod named control pod, which uses the nginx image. This pod should be scheduled to the control plane node. Ensure that the pod is scheduled to the control plane node. Okay. We have it back. Amazing. Okay, get ns. We have, let's set it as a main because I don't want to give the -n flag. Actually, let's do it the -n way this time. Yeah, we should get the hang of both. Anyway, so one thing I wanted to show you is, let's do it in the other one. Oh god. Yeah. Does node name bypass taints? Node name for a pod. Okay. F node name. Yeah. The default Kubernetes scheduler takes taints and tolerations into account when scheduling a node to run a particular pod. However, if you manually specify the node name for a pod, that action bypasses the scheduler. The pod is then bound onto the node where you assigned it, even if there are no scheduled taints on that node that you selected. If this happens and the node also has a no execute taint set, the kubelet will eject the pod unless there is an appropriate tolerance set. So taints and tolerations is a scheduler thing, but when you give it a node name, Kubernetes does not require a scheduler because you've already scheduled, like given it the node name, the node that you want the pod to be scheduled on. So that's why you don't need the scheduler to determine, like you have the answer already. So that's why even if the control plane has taints on it, okay, describe node control plane, grab taints. So we have this no schedule taint, but now we will create a pod which is scheduled on control plane without any tolerations. So okay, run. Let's get the namespace first so that we don't forget. Named control pod. This is so amazing that you can give the arguments in any order, and Kubernetes still understands it perfectly. That's just mind-boggling to me. This pod should be scheduled. Yeah, let's just do a dry run. Equals client minus YAML dot YAML, and let's edit it. It gives a namespace, labels, image. Now we just have to give a node name in the spec. I know how to do it, but I'll still take a look. There's no other node name right here. Have they shown an example? Okay, no. Oh, yeah. Node name. I think it will be like practicing would be helpful because this time that we waste searching, because you have less time in the exam. I've heard people like the time is not enough, so you have to be like really fast on what you do. Control plane. Let's apply minus f one.yaml. Okay, get pods minus n minus o wide, and we have container creating, we have container running, control plane. Perfect solution. So okay, namespace, and you just give a node name. That's it. Amazing. Upgrade kubelet. Okay, let's see. In this scenario, we'll learn how to upgrade the kubelet to version 1.27.0 via apt packet manager. Okay, upgrade the kubelet to the version and verify the kubelet has been upgraded. We use the apt packet manager to install it. Okay, upgrade kubelet. Let's see. Do we have any kubelet stuff? Come on, man. Kubelet. Upgrade kubelet and kubekernel. So we have it all here. To the app on my home kubelet kubekernel. Okay. Oh yeah, let's increase the font size first. Now it's visible. We can copy the whole thing, but let's do one by one. Was not on hold. Okay. Sudo apt update install. We don't need kubectl, so just do this. The version is 1.270. Star. I don't know. I'll just keep it like this. Let's see what happens. In the meanwhile, let's check what are the next steps. You don't need to mark it. Okay, so you need to restart the daemon. Version 1.27. Okay. Search. Oh my god. Apt search. 1.3. I guess we need the hyphen star. That is the latest version, I guess. I'm not sure now. But okay. Can I try it? 0, 0? It was not found. Determine which version to upgrade to. Call console. Oh wait. Okay, let's try this. Done. Done. Version was not found. Exactly. It's where is the latest version? Sorry. Yeah, but let's do that anyway. We did. I'm sorry. Oh, my keyboard. Sip of water. Yeah. So apt search kubelet. Sudo apt install. Sudo apt install kubelet. Nothing to be upgraded to. Newest version. Okay. Perfect. So what happened is this question is old compared to like because playgrounds. It's mentioned somewhere that they always have the latest version of Kubernetes installed. So the question has not been updated. That's fine. You get the gist. You know where to look for it. Yeah. Upgrade kube. Logging in Kubernetes. Okay. In this scenario, we'll learn how to create a pod in 2 different ways, followed by viewing their logs in Kubernetes. Let's increase the font size and go. Create a pod with a container that will log to standard output. Use kubectl to view the logs. How do you log to the standard output? within the pod named pod logging. Okay, yeah, we can just make it run a command like date. So pod command, and in the meanwhile, that's not what I wanted. No, okay, I lost my. We can define a command and arguments on a container. Perfect. Do I have my keyboard? No. So we'll just search for things here. Define a command and arguments when you create a pod. Yes, that's what I want. So we can just copy this. And here, camel space container name should be pod logging. Okay. Image Debian, I'm fine with that. Let's go with date. Labels purpose, one demo. Okay, fine. Okay, apply minus f1.yaml. Okay, get pods. Okay, get pods. Okay, get pods. Okay, get pods. Watch completed. Amazing. Okay. Okay, describe. Sorry. On. Come on, demo. Successfully pulled image. Restarting failed container. Okay, so that's why we need the restart policy, I guess. Let's try it. Okay, delete pod command demo and yeah. Okay, apply minus f camel. Okay, get pods minus watch. Oh, it's restarting. No, that was 4 seconds ago. Completed. Okay. Now okay. Logs pod command demo and the container name. And you have the logs. Yeah. They gave it a while loop. That's fine. Okay, logs pod logging. Yeah, you can directly give the container name also, or you can specify the particular pod and then like better to be specific. What is minus f? I guess minus f is for follow. So minus f follow, specify if the logs should be streamed. So if you have this command, which is in a while loop, printing the date every 1 second, then you can follow it where you keep getting every new line. Okay. Create a pod that will have 2 containers, one main container and another sidecar container that will collect the main container's logs. Using kubectl, view the logs from the container named sidecar. That will have to be one main container, another. Collect the main container's logs. Okay. So we'll have this. Just copy this. Args. Okay. Okay. Oh, come on. Yeah. Nano pod logging. Okay. Strange. Take this. We can do this. We can give another container. Actually, this. Can we do that? Var log date. That is like, is it var logs or logs? Log. Okay, perfect. So now, first of all, doesn't matter, but better. Wait a second, what just happened? We already have a bar. That was better. Okay. Let's name sidecar. Okay. Image busy box. So to view the logs, var log date, like they should have a common volume. Sidecar head volume. Yep. Volume mounts name data. What? Can I convert it from here? Oh, perfect. No, 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 no. Can I do this in command? Yeah. Range. Volume mount shared data. Volume mount path. Yes. Log. Log date and oh, seriously. That's basically it. Pod logs name pod data. Should it be same? It should be same. And the volumes. Check data. Yep. Okay, apply sf pod logging dot yaml. Okay, get pods minus. I don't know. Completed. Running. Not ready. Ready. Why? Okay, describe pod. pod logging. Create started container. Okay, let's make it Debian. Okay, delete -f pod logging.yaml. Excuse me. Okay, it's terminating. Weird thing. Pod YAML instead of busybox. Let's make this data. Debian. Wait a second. Nginx and Debian. Okay. We have a busybox that is writing logs. File update, and we can read it from there. View logs from the container named sidecar. So busybox is running this, and we need to do that. Under image, then asset, we'll just read a logs. Yeah, both are running. Amazing. They're running. Okay, fine. A logs pod, or you could directly do pod log. Pod logging. We'll get both. Can't create is a directory. So you cannot do that. Okay, delete pod logging. Okay, you do your thing. No, pod logging .yaml. So this should not save it in a date. It saves in date.log and mount path var log. Date.log. Good. Okay, okay, get pods. Okay, describe or successfully started container like restarting fit. Why? Okay, logs, pod logging, default container main out of sidecar. Okay, sidecar. Yeah, we read it. Oh, that's wrong. See, it is changing. Okay, get pods minus one. Something, it is working. Okay, get pods minus. Okay, describe pod logging. I guess it's just stopping and starting again. They could do it the way they've given us this. Tail minus, is it? And we've not given the double. But yeah, main container.log. Okay. Sleep 5. Var log. We just gave it a different path within the container. Complete directory. Yeah. Yeah, you can give the -c. You don't have to, though. Yeah. Okay. Have more. Delete pod on demo. Delete pod logging. Yeah, you keep deleting. Create a deployment named MySQL that uses the image MySQL 8. View the deployment and pod and find out why it's not running. Fix the deployment in order to get the pod in a running state. Okay, you keep deleting. Okay. Okay, create deployment image as MySQL 8. Copy, paste. That is it. Oh, I guess probably. Yeah, my keyboard is back. MySQL 8. Let's do dry run anyway. Oh, oh, we didn't give it a name. Yep. Oh, yeah. And we can just do the dry run. Okay, get deployment, MySQL, not running. Okay, describe deployments, MySQL. Replica. That is still not running, right? Is there an issue? Okay, get pods. Error. Okay, describe pod MySQL. Successfully pulled image. Create container image already present on machine. Back off. Restarting failed. Get the pod in the running state. What is it? Let's see log. Let's see some logs. Okay, logs. Pods MySQL. You need to specify one of the following environment. Database is uninitialized and password option is not. You need to specify one. Okay. We have to give it an environment variable. Let's do it. Can we do it like that? Command. Yeah, command line 2. Kubectl commands. I just want to check, can we set use an env? Oh yeah, perfect. Resource name. That's what I want to do. Okay, set env. This is the imperative, like how you do it using command line. Deployment. Resource name, right? Okay. Okay, set env for deployment slash mysql where update deployment registry with a new environment variable. Yeah. List the environment variables. No, I don't want to list them. I want to set it. Yeah. Equal to root. Does that change anything? Okay, the other way to set environment variables is uh secrets, no, production environment. No variable. I'll search for the whole thing. Two environment variables, is that it? Yeah. We give environment variables like this. Value from, no, we can directly give it a literal. Or there is another way while creating it. Okay, get paths. It's running. Amazing. Yeah. So one way we could do it. Okay. Can I do that? Within? Yeah. Okay. Create deployments. And here you can give environment variable, right? Nope. I thought you could. I guess not. Okay. So then you give it here. Copy. Oh, nano. One.yaml. In our deployment, we just I guess it's because of this. Yeah. Alt 3 takes us here. Value from. We don't need a value from. Yes, this is what we want. Yep. That's how you give the container an environment variable within the. Let's just do this first. So, in comes under name. Copy this and paste it. We copy it and we gotta paste it. Oh god, this keyboard, I tell you. Yep. Okay, delete. Okay, delete deployment. D E. Why is this refusing to work? Honestly, man. Yeah. Deployment apps MySQL. Yep. Okay. Apply minus f1.yaml. Wow, we spent 30 minutes on this. Yeah. Okay, get pods. Okay. Of course, we didn't set the right one. Okay. Log MySQL. We just put in an environment variable. Okay. Deployments MySQL nano1.yaml. Waiting for you, keyboard. Value can be anything. Actually, wait a second. I can try something else also. Be right back. Okay, we're back. I don't know if this will work for sure, but what's the harm in trying? The thing is, I'm using Pronox and I'm passing through this keyboard. So it could be an issue of the USB port, but let's see. Okay, get pods. There are no pods. Okay, get deployments. No. Okay, apply minus f1.yaml and okay, get pods. You have it running. Use study maps. Yeah. Config maps. Then we only have 13 left. Yeah. Okay. Let's speed it up now. In this scenario, we'll learn how to create a config map for a pod in Kubernetes. Okay. Create a config map. Name this within the config map. You use key max memory with a value 2 MB and key max memory policy with a value all keys LRU. Try K create. Okay, that's what we'll do. Echo. Okay, get pods. Okay, get deployment. Or you just deploying scenario lot. Okay, create config map from literal. So let's give it the name that it deserves, and from literal we have max memory. Can I copy this? Max memory equals 2 MB, and we have to give it again. Wait, let me just be sure. I know we have to give it again, but does this work? A describe config map Redis. Yeah, the whole thing becomes k delete config map Redis. Yeah, you just give it another from literal, and then you have what you wanted all along. So max memory policy has all keys LRU, and max memory has 2 MB. Okay, create from literal try run. Okay, we didn't do the try run. Create a pod named Redis pod that uses the image. Okay, let's start. Okay, run Redis pod, which uses the image Redis 7 and exposes the port. Okay, we'll do that. Try run client minus o yaml. Use the command Redis to store Redis configuration data and store this in an empty directory volume. Mount the Redis data to the pod for use within the container. Yeah. Yep. Nano 1. Expose port. New service to expose your app. Reference task cube. Cluster IP. port. We need a service for that, is it? Container. Yeah, I know you could just give. Alright. Connect application with services. Back. Yeah, that's all I wanted all along. Ports, container port. Sorry. Ports. Container port 6379. Redis server, Redis master. To store Redis configuration data and store this in an empty directory volume. Okay. Let's do volume mounts. Let's close this. Volume mounts. What the hell? Yep. Lightning strikes every time you move. What does this go under? This part. Under containers, right? So why is it that volume mounts is so far in? See, this is so confusing. You can use containers and then have to like indent it, or you can have it not indented. Just that part of YAML is confusing, honestly. Oh, we need some ports too. Ports. Container ports. Okay, yeah. So where are we saving this? In an empty directory. I don't know what this does. Temp config. Let's do R. That is config. Config volume. Okay. Config map. Where did I config map? The volume is created when the pod is assigned a volume. For a pod that defines an empty directory volume, the volume is created when the pod is assigned to a node. As the name says, the empty directory volume is initially empty. All containers in the pod can read and write the same file. An empty directory volume, the volume can be mounted to the same or different paths in each container when a pod is removed from a node. Okay. You can just skip this. I may not have perfectly understood. Question? To create a pod, we create a pod this way. It uses Redis 7 image. We're doing that. And expose this port. We're doing that. Use the command to store Redis configuration data and store this in an empty. What does this command do? Let's try ChatGPT. ChatGPT to the rescue. Let's see. What does this command do? The command is used to start using a specific configuration file. That's the part of the configuration file. Okay. So that is what the path should be. Redis master redis.conf. Redis master. This is where we mount it. There's an empty directory. There's a next. So later on, we'll, instead of an empty directory, I think they'll make us mount the config map. So yeah, we've done everything. Okay, apply -f1.yaml. Ports. Oh, we need a container port, not container ports. Ports container port. Pod cannot be handled as a pod JSON, cannot unmarshal object. It's under images ports. Container. I'll just. Oh, okay. It should be a list. Perfect. Okay, get pods. Watch. Continue creating, I guess. Okay. Hit run. Hey. The keyboard gave up. Oh no? Okay. Nice. I don't want to jinx it, so I won't say it. Okay. Describe pod. There's only one pod running. Created started container. Perfect. Okay. Logs. Redis pod. Ready to accept connections. Okay. Amazing. Okay. Exec. I guess I can give Redis pod directly. Yeah, Redis pod. Can Redis master slash redis.conf slash star. ls. Nothing. Okay. Okay. We're in the next part. Oh shit, we missed it. Mount the Redis config map to the pod for use within the container. But where? This is a simple question. It's just I am not understanding exactly what they want us to do. Very clear. Yeah. Create a config map, define container environment variable, and add config map data to a volume. Yes, this is what we want. Yes. Nano1.yaml. Actually, let's take it one at a time. We don't need this. Config volume. Okay. Name, config volume, config map. You just have to give it a name. Okay. Yeah. Name is Redis config. Okay. Apply myself. And found character that cannot start any token. Line. -L. 5. Volumes. Config map. Name. Provide the name of the config map containing the file you want to add. Yes. What's the issue? You cannot start any token. Are there some extra spaces or something? I guess the tab. The tabs. Okay, pods. Okay. Okay, Redis image command. Is that the command part? We didn't give the command. Okay, we can give a port like this, command like this. Where are you mounting it? It is shell to the Redis pod and open the Redis CLI. These are a bit Redis specific, I'm not. Okay, never mind. I don't know. This one is done. Well, I know there's the areas. This one has a good config map one. Yeah, this. I'll get to it. I wish I could do CKS. But we have to get done with CKA first. And we'll do CKS also. No worries. Looking at you. Ooh, ooh. Just a second. That's strange. Just give me a second, I'll be right back.